welcome to the next part of Faded. I'm ready for the verse and I hope you are too. Let me show you what you will learn in this part. And then the last three notes are the first three notes for the chorus. But this is part of the next video. Okay, so let's start. But quick reminder, if you haven't yet, check out my free piano classes. The link's in the description below. You get a free ebook. It's a super fun community and I'm looking forward to see you there. Okay, so let's start with the left hand. The left hand plays the same notes as it did before in the last video. So, but this time we don't have this pattern here. Yeah, it's even easier. We play all notes at the same time. 4 times, like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the thing is, it's easier, but it's not as easy as it looks like, because really playing all 3 notes at the same time, it's still a challenge, so that it doesn't sound like this. Yeah, because it doesn't sound nice if you don't play all notes at the same time. Yeah, but it's still a challenge. So, and this should be your goal. So if you really hear that this hammer, when the hammer hits the strings of the piano, yeah, that we only hear this once and not 3 times. Yeah, then you know you're on the right way. And yeah, so this should be your goal, that you are able to play these 4 chords each 4 times. And it's totally fine if this is slow, but you should be able to play this perfectly before you continue. Because when we play both hands together, you know this is the next big challenge. Okay, so this should be your goal. Or everything straight, everything at the same time, all notes at the same time, so that it's nice and clean. Okay, so the right hand, the first practice part is this one. So we play 2 times F sharp with a pointer, then 1 time D sharp, and then we toggle back and forth between these 2 notes. Yeah, 1, 2, and then we play the G sharp. Yeah, okay, only till the G sharp. That's the first practice part. Two times, 1 time, 1 time, 1 time, 1 time, and up. Okay, so also repeat this a couple of times now, so that you really remember this before we play both hands together. And this is what we are doing now. So the left hand starts with the first chord, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp. Left, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. So again, left, right, together. So that's the first part. Left, right, together. Okay? So and then left, right, together. Always when the right hand plays the thumb, the left hand doesn't play. But when it goes back to the F sharp, the left hand also plays. Like this. Okay, but we don't play this that often. And at the very end, we have this G sharp right hand alone. So again. That's it. We can repeat this again and again now. So this is the first practice part. The second one has the next chord on the left hand. But we focus on the right hand first. A sharp, twice F sharp, C sharp, and A sharp. We start here 2 times, and at the very end again A sharp. So that's the second practice part. Also repeat this again and again and again. When you did this, we can go on with both hands together, right, together, right, together, right, left. So we start together 2 times, then the right hand, together, and right hand and left hand. Again. And faster. Okay, great. So that's the next part. That's this is the second practice part. Yeah, both the first 2 together is like this. Yeah, this is what you should learn now, especially because when you change the left hand to the next chord. Yeah, that's definitely still a challenge. Okay, the third practice part is the following. We immediately start with both hands together because that's it. Yeah, the left hand plays 1, 2, 3 times the chord alone, and then the right hand plays alone the F sharp, then both hands together, but the right hand stays on the F sharp. So right, both, right. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, right, together, right. Like this. Now I repeat this again. 1, 2, 3, right, together, right. 1, 2, 3, right, together, right. Okay, so that's the third practice part. And the fourth practice part so the right hand plays F or E sharp is no, it's a music theory. So, but this note with the thumb 3 times. The first time is long, then 2 times shorter. The pointer plays D sharp, and the middle finger plays F sharp. Bum, 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 bum. So that's the first. That's the practice part. Okay, so the left hand has the last chord, and this is C sharp, F, and G sharp. So both hands together, left, right, together, right, together. So again, together, left, right, together, right, together. So this is how it looks like when I repeat this again and again. Okay, great. I mean, that's the third practice part. Now you should bring the third and that's the fourth practice part. The third and the fourth together. And let me show you all four together, but we have more. So let me bring them together. So, because we repeat this. So, no, okay, that's it for now, yeah? Okay, now we start this. We repeat all this. And there are some small variations. In the second practice part, we don't play. We don't play this. We go up lum, bum, bum, to this C sharp instead of here. And then C sharp and A sharp. But that's the only difference. And that's also what we should, I mean, before we had this fingering, and now we should probably change it like this with the middle finger. Yeah, middle finger, thumb, pinky, and middle finger. So that's the new second practice part. So, and then the third and the fourth practice part are even easier, because now we have in the third practice part only 2 times the F sharp. Before we had it 3 times. Now we only have it 2 times. 1, 2, 3. Left hand, right, together, and that's it. Left. 1, 2, 3. And the funny part, the last practice part, the fourth, is just only the G sharp. And then the left hand plays the chord. So the fourth practice part is right, left, 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 left. So that's the fourth practice part. Let's bring the third and the fourth together. I think that's the most important. So the left hand starts. 1, 2, 3. Right, together, left, and then right, left. So again. Again. Okay, cool. And then we have 3 times the A sharp, but that's the beginning of the next video. Yeah, we will cover this in the next video. So let me play everything together. Okay, but that's the next video. Okay, great. So when you made it to this point, congratulations. Yeah, you will definitely finish the entire tutorial. And I'm so happy that you're here. Thank you so much. I'm always looking forward to see you on my website, werdemusiker.com. I paste you some links to free piano courses in the description below. Check them out. If you like that, if you like this tutorial, I'm sure you will love these classes in my description. Yeah, I also appreciate it. Yeah, thank you so much for being here, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next part.